Today I'm going to talk to you quickly about the Google Search Console and how that helps you with your SEO. Google Search Console is basically a free tool that helps you monitor your website's organic search presence. So it's a really important tool. It's provided by Google, and it's Google's way of telling you what's happening with your website and how it's performing from an SEO perspective. It's your best friend when it comes to maintaining your standing with Google. Tons of data on Google Console around your site errors, the traffic you're getting, the rankings, and a lot more. You can sign into Google Search Console and it'll tell you how to activate it and monitor your website. And when you start, just check for any messages around errors that your site may have and start fixing those errors. Some of the most common errors are your 404 errors or pages that can't be found. It's a good idea to start redirecting those pages to more useful pages that are live on your site. Any of the more complicated fixes, just speak to a developer or your SEO and ask them to start fixing those. That's a good way to get started with the Google Search Console. Good luck.